In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a number of things you can try in order to fix if you don't have sound coming through on Google Chrome, whether that's through, in my example, YouTube, or maybe something else you're trying to watch or listen to. The first fix, what you're going to want to do once you've got Google Chrome opened, is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and then come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come across this menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. Then in the privacy and security section, you want to come down and click where it says site settings. From site settings, come down to the bottom, and what you want to do is click here where it says additional content settings to bring up some further options, and then go ahead and click onto sound. Now in here, you want to make sure that sites can play sound. You want to make sure this option is selected, and you want to make sure that you've not added any particular sites in customized behaviors which aren't allowed to play sound. Once you've checked that, go ahead and refresh the website or whatever you were trying to listen to and see if that fixes your problem. Now, if you've still got no sound, the next thing you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar, come down to the bottom right hand corner and right click onto your sound icon just down here. Then on this menu that comes up, go and click onto sound settings to open up your sound settings. In here, you want to make sure you've got the correct sound device selected. So you can see I've got a couple in my case. I've got my laptop speakers or my external speakers which are plugged in. What you also want to do is click onto your speakers from here and make sure that the volume is turned up all the way, just like so. Once that's done, again, what you can do is close down your sound settings, refresh the website and see if you now have sound. Now, if you're still not getting any sound, the third and final fix I could recommend doing, if we come back to my desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box at the bottom, and in here you want to go ahead and type sound mixer. Then underneath best match, go ahead and open up sound mixer options, and that's going to open up a window like this. In here, what you want to do is come down to the apps section and make sure that the volume is again turned up all the way for Google Chrome. Once that's done, you can then go ahead and try to play sound. If you're still not getting anything, there is a reset button here which is going to reset your sound devices and volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults and can potentially resolve any issues with sound. So that is how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.